So we'll go by twice.
Okay, you can tell.
What's wrong, Amanda? Should we go see this guy again?
What was he doing?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it.
What?
The guy that's down here dancing like a fool.
I guess you better say.
I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna wait a minute. You're gonna put a show on.
Are you gonna record it? Why are you not recording?
Oh.